yun nga, nilook forward namin na tulad ng ibang games na maganda yung ginagalaw ng mga nasa bottom din, naghahabol sila ng panalo. So yun nga, naging aggressive sila nung first set, tapos nagkataon yung mga crucial points kami yung nagbigay. So, buti na lang kumalma sila ng second nung nagkaroon ng run si national service. Naging normal na kami.
Sabi, you very high for you with 36 points and your family is also there watching. This is that added motivation for you to be able to perform in this game.
I think I actually just got asked that question, and I'm just glad that she was here for it. I know that she's always, you know, in my mind and my heart. I'm just glad that she's here physically. I feel super comfortable playing in front of her. It doesn't change much. She's been there throughout my whole career, so you know, like I said, I'm just glad to have her here and have her be present at this game.
Sabi, 36 points for you in your career high. What does this say about your work ethic, your hard work for the team or in the past conferences?
I mean, honestly, it's hard because I'm just happy that we won. I honestly wasn't keeping track of how many points I was scoring. I was just happy that, you know, we were able to create gap and win, you know, in the last 3 sets kind of comfortably with a little bit of points in between us. Like I said, I'm just happy with the win regardless. So thanks.
Coach, syempre laking sa bagay ni Sabi. Buhati na ang coach siya ngayon. So, ano lang masasabi mo sa kanya?
Well, yun naman yung bunga ng hard work niya. From the time na siguro simula nung dumating siya dito, yun at yun naman yung reminder sa tinatrabaho namin. So, yun, happy kami na lumalabas yung pinaghihirapan. And yun nga, sa laro ngayon siya yung talagang na-deliver.
More than the 36 points, you also had a triple double, 10 excellent takes and 10 excellent receptions. Can you just talk about the effort you've been putting, you know, for defense in here?
I think honestly, I want to give credits to the coach because they give me the template, right? So it's just up to me to execute when the game comes through. I was just in the right spots that they tell me to be in. I put the ball where they tell me to put it. So like I said, I'm just glad that, you know, it was able to, it's more of like the mental effort, I think, more than the physical effort at this point.
Coach, itong back-to-back games, kumbaga yung first set na medyo slow starts. Siguro parang yung ba, ano ba nakikita naman sa first set na parang pick up on the yung second, third, fourth, talagang communication?
Hindi ko actually consider na slow start eh. Talagang nagkakaroon lang talaga ng extra aggressiveness yung mga kalaban. Dahil siguro nga naghahabol talaga ng panalo saka wala ng pressure sa kanila. Yun lang talaga, tulad nung sa game kanina nung first set, okay naman yung ginalaw namin. Siguro yung breaks lang ng game, sumakto talaga nung crucial points na pumabor sa Cherry. Pero yun naman yung expect namin. And mas importante pa rin na naka-respond kami ng second onward.
Tatlong coach din, medyo dominating na yung wins your back-to-back. Kumbaga, naisip ka rin pick at the right time.
Nagpipick? Well, yun yung plano sana kasi malapit na tayo sa dulo. After ng Petrogas, ano na tayo, di ba? Knockout games na tayo hanggang dulo nga. So, since nagpas na sa kalahati, yun naman yung ginagawal sa kanila physically. Pero marami pa rin kailangan trabahuin sa mental aspect. Pero yan, umaabot naman kami katamaan.